Hello there. Today I'm going to talk you through some example settings for ploughing work using the Valtra SmartTouch terminal. First of all, I'm going to activate a previously saved profile which I made earlier for ploughing work. As you can see, I have here set on the joystick the linkage control. This allows me to control the linkage using the joystick very precisely. I then also have the plough rollover, so the rear valve set on the joystick to roll the plough over. I also have set up on the memory 1 button a U-pilot sequence which I previously made for ploughing. Memory 2 button is a diff lock, and then I have auto guide activation on memory 3. I've also set up my driving displays suitable for ploughing work. As you can see, I have rear hydraulics, rear linkage, and the memory button screen which allows me to see where in the sequence the U-pilot is at. With all these settings saved in my profile, it makes starting up in the morning, changing implements so much easier. I get to work faster, I start my job faster, and I have a much easier day while ploughing.
Valtra, your working machine.